learning to prepare. Any task requires preparation, and wearing an apron helps maintain hygiene and tidiness.
First, we measure the flour exactly. Then, very carefully, we add the egg yolk right here.
Oh dear, Sunny. Pouring flour requires care and dexterity. It looks like we need to clean up this mess before we continue baking.
Accidents happen, Sunny, but it's important that we clean them up. Here, use this cloth.
Okay, Mama. I'll clean the flour.
Despite the mess, effort is always rewarded with a sweet outcome.